Hi, my name is Lily. Let me share the latest SecureTransport features and improvements with you. This month, we updated several third-party components that were reported in the National Vulnerability Database, including Apache Tomcat and the Edge SOX proxy library. As of this update, SecureTransport starts using Java 21.0.4+7. Refer to our third-party software and licenses document for the complete list. The Administrator Guide has been updated to provide comprehensive information on the disaster recovery strategy for enterprise clusters. Check out the step-by-step instructions for setting up an active-passive disaster recovery server, the guidance on disaster recovery failover and failback, and the procedures for achieving zero downtime update in an active-passive disaster recovery architecture. To meet the latest standards for confidentiality and integrity of sensitive data stored within the application, the Amazon S3 and SMB pluggable transfer sites have been enhanced to allow using configuration parameters like temporary credentials stored in an external secret or password vault. This integration can be set up via the newly introduced Fetch expression language function and the new REST API resource Configurations External Stores. Check the Administrator Guide for detailed setup information. Starting with this update, 2 new key exchange algorithms will be sent to the server during an SSH pull, even though they are not explicitly specified. These are pseudo algorithms and are non-negotiable. They simply inform the server of the supported security features. The SecureTransport administration tool has been enhanced with 2 key features to improve usability. The first one is quick system information in the admin menu. The admin menu now includes an About section that provides key system information like the server type, server or edge, the SecureTransport version, the operating system, the user running SecureTransport, and update history. A Copy System Information button allows you to copy the full JSON response to your clipboard. The second feature is setting an alias node name. The Admin UI Settings page in the Administration tool now allows setting a name for the current node, server or edge, to make it easily identifiable among all nodes in the cluster. The search bar in SD Web Client now supports searches with a minimum of 2 characters instead of 3. Matches are found if the term appears anywhere in the file or folder name. Thanks for watching! Apply this update using the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time!